just woke up. As you can see, I'm gonna go grocery shopping and then do a cleanup and packing because my life is a mess at the moment and the only way I can get it in order is by cleaning up. So I am on a mission today.
It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. Saw the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you're posting on the gram, I even tried to call your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize.
Okay, if you're halfway through my cleaning and you're still here, please subscribe. This is some serious business. Please subscribe. And a comment, you know, it would be nice as well. Comment never hurt nobody, unless it's a bad comment. So make sure to leave a nice comment. Like. Don't forget to like. Oh, and there's the bell. Don't forget the bell. Okay, so now that the lounge is finished, the kitchen is finished, just taking a little bit of a break because my room is a disaster. Oh, you see how ice cold that is? I need it. It's so hot here. Like it's humid. When I walk outside, it feels like I'm breathing in fire. I need to refuel. So I have a little bit of a snack. If you can hear, my nose is a little bit blocked. Story of my life being here in Joburg. I've just been sick, and sick. So, I don't know, getting my life together now, cleaning up. I don't know if a lot of you experience that, but when you clean your space, sometimes it feels like you're cleansing your mind at the same time. And that's why I love cleaning so much. It's one of my favorite things to do. It just sets me up on the right path. I feel like I'm ready. I can take on anything after I've cleansed this house properly. And then I still need to pack because I'm leaving in a week and I have no time next week to pack. So today I need to pack.
So pick up your line. Pick apologize. So pick up your line. Say it again, say it again. You're saying you're sorry, so say it again. Only you can make my world go black. Say you love me, then you take it back. Say it again, say it again. You want my forgiveness, so say it again. You're my thunder of my darkest night. You just can't go back and make it right. 'Cause it's too late, your time is up. Damage done and now it's stuck. Yeah. 'Cause it's too late, you roll the dice, and now you have to pay the price. Yeah. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place.
Okay, so now that I'm done cleaning, take a nice shower, wash this dirty hair. I don't know, maybe I'll lay in the bath and cook myself, you know, a nice, wholesome, healthy, fresh meal to end of the day perfectly with some Bling Empire. But thank you so much for watching. And my next video will be packing for New York, so stay tuned for that. Bye.